morning everybody. It's 5 a.m. in the morning and we've packed our bags. Everything is ready and we're so excited about this trip and just be there throughout the entire journey and see our 5 days trip. Bye. So we just now finished our breakfast and we just stopped near Prithvi for breakfast and we're now heading to Mysore and my uncle is driving the car. So please tell hello.
Hi.
And my aunt is there.
Hi.
And my sister. So we've stopped here for a commercial break in Ooty. It's actually a coffee day and everybody's sitting here. Yeah, it's a good. Hey guys, we stopped in this, like this really cool place and it's so beautiful, so beautiful. I think you all have to look at this. Come on. Isn't it so beautiful? It's like almost the clouds are, touching the trees. Like, okay, like 2 more hours to go and we're gonna reach Wellington. I'm so happy and we're going to Wellington for the first time. Actually, I'm going to Wellington for the first time. And I saw the vlog after I reached there. Bye. So we've started again, another 84 kilometers and we'll reach our destination. So this is their beautiful house where we are going to stay, and now that's the hall. It's so prettily decorated with so many artwork, their family picture and these beautiful paintings on the wall. Hey guys, it's officially day 2 in Wellington. If you all are wondering what's Wellington and where's Wellington, Wellington is right here in Ooty. So I've come here with my Chachu and my sister for a short vacation. Okay, this is kind of a steepy road, hill kind of road where you have to just walk. We're just going to this nearby cafe to drink something. The weather is not that cold or something. It's really nice. It is cloudy, but trust me, it's beautiful. So guys, we're just walking on this road. We're just going to a cafe and yeah, you can see my uncle and aunt taking pictures. And from here, you can see this beautiful view down there. Isn't it so beautiful? So we reached the cafe and you can see my sister, dressing up the waffle for us. Thank you, Ria. So we've reached this beautiful place called the Dolphin viewpoint here in Ooty. This is so beautiful. I don't know if this is visible there. I think that's a waterfall. Yeah, that is a waterfall. This is so beautiful. We came into this private tea garden and I'm wearing this, tea plucker's outfit. I know it's a little funny. Hey guys, it's officially day 3 here in Wellington. The weather is really cold and chill and we're on our way to the Doddabetta and you can see all that fog around and it's so beautiful. stopped here for breakfast actually, and we had like chana and something called as roti bangla and things. This is like a small market and actually a way to Doddabetta. Okay, so that's like the view from the Doddabetta. It's like so beautiful. It's day 4 in Wellington. We are here in the Wellington Lake. Ooty is a real eye treat. Thanks to my chachu for this beautiful vacation. Thanks to Sandeep uncle and his family. See you Ooty until next time. I'm ending the vlog here. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next video.